How to create section and tables. Click on setting, click on section and tables, create new. You can select name of your section. For example, dine in. From here you can assign a particular price book for this particular section. If not, you can leave it blank, it is not mandatory. You can add prefix from here for your table. For example, T for table. You can add number of tables from here starting from 1 and table ending at 20, and click on create and the tables are created, and you can click on save and the tables are created.